Welcome back to the Citizen Data Academy. This video is the third in our community planning module. We'll show you how to use the Blighted Property Dashboard. This dashboard displays the 8 types of blighted property 311 citizen service requests and their associated statistics. You can find it in the dashboard section below the gallery on the map portal homepage, and with the URL listed here. It is a helpful tool to track blight in your area. The data comes from Red Stick 311 and is updated each night. It includes records dating back to April 2012. When you open the dashboard, by default, it shows the boundaries of each Metro Council district and the locations of all current blighted property requests. There are currently around 1,100 requests that are open or in progress throughout the city parish. Each of the 8 request types are color-coded in the map and in the sidebar panel on the left. Illegal signs are shown in blue, junk vehicles are shown in green, and so forth. When you click on a pin, the pop-up displays more detailed information about the request. This dashboard is designed to accommodate the needs of each user with flexible filters. If you don't want to view the request for the entire city parish, at the top right of the dashboard, there are 3 different filters that allow you to refine your search area. You can search by neighborhood, council district, and zip code, or even a combination of the 3 filters as long as your search parameters overlap. Each filter can be reset to the default setting by clicking the reset button. You can select choices from a filter individually or select them all at once with the select all button. In addition to the preset filters available, this button at the top left of the map also allows you to refine your selected data by drawing a perimeter around the desired area. In addition to filtering your requests by location, you can also filter the requests by type in the sidebar panel. You can toggle each request type on and off by left-clicking directly on each bar or the name of the bar. If you click outside of the bars, the default settings are restored and each type of request is displayed. Once you've filtered the data to your liking, the Table tab allows you to view the data in tabular form. If you're signed into your ArcGIS account, you can download this data in CSV format by clicking this button at the lower right of the tab. Lastly, I'll cover the map control buttons in the top right. You can search for a specific address in the search bar and the map will pan to that location. The button with the house icon restores the default extent of the map. The legend displays information about the active layers in the map. Notice that as I zoom in, the existing land use layer also becomes visible. The Layers button allows you to toggle the map layers on and off. By default, the layers for open blight requests, council districts, and existing land use are visible, while the layers for closed blight requests, neighborhoods, subdivisions, and adjudicated parcel are invisible by default. You can tell which layers are visible, as invisible layers will have a slash through them in the icon. Let's change the map by turning off the council district layer and activating the subdivision layer instead. Like always, the base map gallery button allows you to change the base map. You can also maximize or minimize both the sidebar and the map by left-clicking the tiny button that appears at the top right of the panel. This is especially useful when you've specified the sidebar search parameters to your liking and want to get a better view of the map. This button at the top right can take you back to a web page in EBRGIS or to the Red Stick 311 page, where you can submit your own request. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, where we show how to navigate the 311 dashboard.